We're incredibly lucky in Norfolk to have a wide diversity of habitats with a variety of rare and scarce species.
Wild Norfolk to me means having wildlife everywhere you look, everywhere you go. As the Trust is approaching our 100-year anniversary, one of our aims is to protect a lot more space for nature.
We want to conserve species for the future, for future generations. The way to achieve that is to create bigger, better and more joined up habitats. We want to establish wildlife corridors between our habitats so species can recolonise from lost sites. We know that they'll function better ecologically and they'll be more resilient for the future.
As cities and towns continue to grow in size, they can also be incredibly isolating places to live. Green and wild spaces do provide ground upon which people can come together, which will fundamentally change the way that they feel about the world. And when people value something, they're far more likely to act in ways that will preserve it.
It's a space where people can go to distract themselves and really feel relaxed. And I think it's so important to protect that state of mind for people.
Our approach is to go out, listen to communities, work with those people to create greener, wilder spaces in which they can live.
It gets people off their phones and their screens, and it's something that we all actually need access to.
Every individual in Norfolk plays an important part in preserving biodiversity and promoting species conservation.
We know that we can't do this on our own. So by partnering with different organisations, we have the chance to connect more and more people to nature.
Partnerships are happening all over the county between Norfolk Wildlife Trust and landowners to put back some of the lost habitats in Norfolk and preserve some of our most threatened species. We need everyone to play their part and get involved if we want to see nature thriving in Norfolk.